Let's be real. Nobody wants to spend their weekend wrestling with a gas can, pulling a stubborn cord, or dealing with a finicky engine that refuses to start. You just want a clean cut, a quiet morning, and a yard that looks fantastic without the headache. That is exactly what I am covering today. We are looking at the top 5 best cordless and electric lawnmowers on the market, from lightweight options for small yards to powerful beasts that rival gas. Whether you need something affordable, durable, or feature-packed, I have found the perfect mower for your needs and your budget. Stick with me and you will make a confident, smart buying decision. First up is the Litheli cordless lawnmower, a 13-inch model that is all about simplicity and portability. This little machine is incredibly lightweight at only 24 pounds, and it features a folding handle with a carrying handle on top. If you have a small garden or a tight shed, this thing is a dream to store and move around. It runs on a 20-volt battery that gives you about 15 minutes of runtime, which is enough for roughly 1,300 square feet of grass. It spins at 3,400 RPM, so it has plenty of power for its size. You get 5 height adjustments ranging from 1 to 2.5 inches, and the 8-gallon bag catches the clippings neatly. Now, the battery life is shorter than others, so this is best for very small city lots or postage stamp-sized yards. But for that specific user, it is a game changer. If you have a tiny patch of grass and hate heavy equipment, check the link for this one below. Next on the list is the LawnMaster MEB1114K, a corded electric mower that solves the battery problem entirely. With a 15-inch cutting width and an 11-amp motor pushing 3,300 RPM, this thing never runs out of juice because you just plug it in. That means no charging, no waiting, and no battery degradation over time. It's environmentally friendly with 0 gas or fumes, and it only weighs about 28 pounds. The 5 cutting positions go from 1.4 inches up to 3 inches, so you have great control over your grass length. The 7.75-inch rear wheels make it surprisingly maneuverable, and the 7-gallon bag is plenty for most lawns. The only catch is the cord, which you have to manage around trees and flower beds. But for a medium-sized yard with a nearby outlet, this is one of the most affordable and durable options you'll find. It's a workhorse that just keeps going. If that sounds like you, go grab the link in the description. Now we're getting serious with the Ego Power Plus Self-Propelled Lawnmower, the top-rated option for a reason. This is the overall best product in this entire lineup. It comes with 2 56-volt 6-amp-hour batteries that deliver up to 100 minutes of combined runtime, which is absolutely massive. The 21-inch deck features the Select Cut multi-blade system with 3 interchangeable blades for mulching, bagging, or side discharge. The touch drive self-propelled technology is incredible, letting you control the speed from 0.9 to 3.1 miles per hour just by squeezing the handle. You get 8 cutting height positions from 1 to 4 inches, plus bright LED headlights for early morning or evening mows. The brushless motor is efficient, quiet, and built to last. It weighs 96 pounds, so it is heavier, but the self-propelled drive makes it feel light. Honestly, this mower exceeds gas power without the noise or fumes. If that sounds like you, go grab the link in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the WORX 14-inch cordless mower, a fantastic choice for smaller yards. This lightweight push mower runs on 2 20-volt 4-amp-hour batteries that give you enough juice for up to 1/8 of an acre. The IntelliCut technology is really smart, automatically adjusting the cutting speed when it hits dense grass so you never bog down. It has 6 height positions from 1.5 to 3.5 inches, and the 2-in-1 design lets you mulch or bag your clippings. At just under 30 pounds, it's incredibly easy to push, and the fully collapsible handle means it stores almost flat against the wall. It's also very quiet at just 87.8 decibels, so your neighbors will thank you. The only small drawback is the 13-inch cutting width, which means more passes on a bigger lawn. But for small to medium yards, this is a perfect balance of power and portability. If you want a compact, quiet, and reliable machine, this is for you. Check the link below. Finally, we have the Greenworks 48-volt 17-inch cordless mower, a great middle ground between compact and full size. This model uses two 24-volt batteries combined to deliver solid power with up to 45 minutes of runtime. The 17-inch rust-resistant poly deck is lightweight yet durable, and it glides easily around your yard. You get 5 single-lever height adjustments and a 2-in-1 design that allows mulching or rear bagging. It's virtually maintenance-free with no gas, no oil, and no emissions. Just push-button start and go. It weighs about 42 pounds, so it's heavier than the WORX but lighter than the Ego. The cut quality is very clean, and the 48-volt system provides consistent torque even in thicker grass. It might lack self-propulsion, so hilly yards require a bit more effort, but for flat or gently sloping lawns, it is a joy to use. This is a fantastic, affordable option that delivers gas-like performance without the hassle. So, after looking at all 5, my top recommendation is the Ego Power Plus Self-Propelled Mower. It has the longest runtime, the smartest features, and the most adjustable cut quality. It truly feels like the future of lawn care. Every single mower on this list was carefully selected for reliability and value, so you really can't go wrong no matter your budget or yard size. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the current best prices. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest buying guides. Happy mowing, and I'll see you in the next one.